So I must apologise for the lack of intro to this video. I just got too carried away and just couldn't wait to get on the road. So we're going to dive straight into the journey through the beautiful Glencoe. Chat about where we're off to on this Hogmanay holiday. I'm on the way to the Isle of Skye for Hogmanay, but at the moment I'm on my way to Isle of Castle, which is hopefully where I'm going to spend the night as long as I've got a park up. It is rather bleak at the moment. Look at this. Quite bleak. I guess that rain could turn to snow at any moment because it has been pretty cold down at Glencoe. Everything was frosty and it was about -2 degrees. So fingers crossed we don't get too much snow overnight. I've seen quite a few snowplows going in the opposite direction to me. There's no ice about. So I guess that means temperatures are warmer where I am at the moment. What's been a really busy drive, especially, well, obviously I guess through Glencoe, Tyndrum and Glencoe, it's been absolutely manic there. Loads of coach trips and people parking in crazy places to take photographs. Just there's not that many vehicles about now. As the mist comes down and the sun sets, it gets a bit eerie. Loads of cloud inversions today. It's really pretty, but just haven't been able to get any really good photographs. Oh, that looks good. I don't know if it's going to come up on the camera, but that looks really pretty. Made it. Got to my park up. The spot I wanted above Isle of Castle. So I've got this view from the van. There's Dougal. Roads are quite icy still. Tonight's view. Isle of Castle there. Can you see that? A view. Frosty night. Not a bad park up for the night, is it?